And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to not hopefully become as lean as this lady. Okay? You know, when I had that photo earlier, she was fat. Okay? Because work is toxic, look at what happened to her. Right? Okay? And then she even says, Lord, give me a life. Okay? Please give me a life. Okay? Therefore, my dear friends, as we end our discussion, I do hope that you have appreciated your position in the company is not something that is common. It is for those who have a calling. And so therefore, you are actually privileged to be in that position. Okay? The opportunity will be there for you. You have to take it. And I remember before I end, I just like to mention, have you heard of this company called Procter & Gamble? Okay. Procter & Gamble is a very big company. And in the year 1999 until 2000,